Affiliate marketing can make you rich if done properly. One of the biggest problems people encounter when trying to start an online business is that they attempt to go from startup to expert in the blink of an eye. There's a process you need to follow with web business, especially affiliate marketing, and you will never succeed in this genre unless you understand it. Here are some tips to help you understand. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. Make sure you have a strategy before you get into affiliate marketing. You want to prepare a plan of what types of products you want to have available and how you are going to attract attention to your web page. You can't expect to just make a web page and that people will just find it. Plan things out, and it should help with bringing people to your web page. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, discover the type of tracking software a company uses before you join their affiliate program. If the program does not track all of your sales, then you will not receive credit for all of the viewers that you refer to their company. One great way to always stay ahead of the game in affiliate marketing is to be among the first people to advertise a newly released product. To stay ahead of the game and to promote products before the market becomes saturated, check out various large companies, like ClickBank, and find out about new products. Of course, people want to go from zero to rich in 0.0 seconds. But rushing affiliate success is just unrealistic. Before you get your hopes up only to be let down hard and fast, take your time to read and to implement the tips in the video above. Put yourself in a good position to be successful. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.